Harris, nice to see you today. I hope your holidays went well. I hope you had a great New Year. I think we should do a coffee today.
I'm ready. And all the best for the holidays to you as well.
Fantastic.
So let's start on Monday coffee.
I think we should. I think it's time to start and talk about our lubrication program. So I guess my first question is, how do I start my lubrication program with LUBExpert this year?
Well, you start with why.
Why what?
Well, why everything, basically. Well, if you want to implement it, right, first you need to ask yourself, why do I need it? Once you know why, you will understand what you want your LUBExpert to do for you and where you want your implementation process to take you as well. Because, whatever got you here will not take you there. And I mean by that, practice that brought you to the position where we need a solution is not the one that will take you to any better place. So it obviously must be changed. Of course, if everyone in organization can sit around table and honestly say, we have a problem, and that's more often easier said than done, of course.
Okay, so but what do you mean by that? Why would it be difficult for everyone to say a problem?
Well, if that was easy, it would have been done long ago, and we would not be having this conversation at all. Tricky part is that problems are always hidden, and hidden behind, you name it, bad habits hidden behind comfort zone walls, behind statements like, it's not my job, it's not my responsibility, and similar. So it's all about politics.
Okay, so it sounds like you're talking about reliability issues in general, not just about lubrication.
Yes, of course. Those are actually the same issues. They cannot be separated. So whatever causes your poor reliability will result in your bad lubrication practice. And then your bad lubrication practice destroys your reliability. So round and round you go. You cannot separate it. So unless you deal with it on that level, pushing grease this way or another will take you to the certain point for a certain time. And then your program will just die.
Okay, so it sounds like everything needs to be questioned. Am I right?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Everything needs to be questioned and constantly. So why is probably most important ingredient in your implementation program.
Okay, but at least some answers are absolutely clear, like why we lubricate.
Well, is that really as clear as it seems? Well, I think not, but let's discuss it a little bit. Imagine for a moment you are a lube technician. So why do you lubricate?
Well, bearings need grease to rotate properly, and well, that's my job to apply it correctly, of course.
Okay, that's absolutely correct. Now imagine you are a lube engineer. Well, why do you lubricate bearings?
To decrease friction and wear, to dissipate heat, contamination control, all those things.
Excellent. Now forget about those two roles. Now you are a reliability engineer. Why do you think those two guys lubricate bearings?
Well, to extend bearing life, avoid premature failures, decrease downtime, spare parts, collateral damage, energy savings, and the list goes on.
Absolutely. Excellent. That's absolutely correct. Now forget all about those things and go back to reality. Let's say you own this company. Why do you want your bearings to be properly lubricated?
Do you want the definition or my honest feeling?
Absolutely honest feeling.
Well, to increase profit, of course.
Voila, that's it. And that is the most honest and probably most correct reason to lubricate bearings. You see, this is the problem. Even the question that seems quite straightforward have many different answers in many different languages. Because what you mentioned right now are different languages. All of them are correct. Some at personal level, some at departmental level, and some are really complete at the organizational level. So if I want shareholder to fund the program, lubrication engineer to develop a strategy, and lubrication technician to execute, why needs to be clear to absolutely everyone. And that's the big why.
Okay, why is clear. Let us go back to those problems that we need to recognize and resolve, those hidden or not hidden problems. It looks to me like a doctor visit. We need to make a diagnosis, prescribe medicine, and then take a pill.
Exactly. Diagnosis part is absolutely crucial. Only at the end of this discussion, it's not a pill really. It's not something you take and then all problems go away. It will be more like a new lifestyle.
Okay, I think we need to do some diagnostics.
Yeah, I agree. So 2 more cappuccinos to go with that?
2 cappuccinos coming up.
See you soon.
See you next Monday.